Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. So today we're gonna find out the winner of this beautiful G-9100 Gulfman. I would like to thank everyone who participated, and especially for helping my friend reach and exceed 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys doing it, because now finally he can get his channel monetized, and all the effort that he put over the last 2 years is finally going to pay off. Now, when it comes to picking up this winner of this G-9100 Gulfman, I'll be using an online randomizer just like I used so far. And please do not respond to the comments of scammers claiming that you're the winner. If you follow my channel and if you listen to how I do these giveaways, I would never contact you via the comments. I will get the name via the randomizer. You're gonna see it here on the video, and it's your job to contact me via the email that I'm gonna leave in the description of this video. Then we're gonna continue communication, and we'll do a two-step verification, where once I confirm it is really you, the watch is going to be sent to your address when you deliver me your full name and your address. So I will not be contacting you via the comments, so please do not fall for those scammers. I try to block them, I try to delete them, but they just open another and a new account, and they're just way too many for me to keep filtering them. So let's find out the winner of this beautiful Gulfman, and good luck everyone before we start the raffle. So let me just unlock my phone, go to my channel. This is the giveaway video. We're gonna copy the link to that video like so, and then we're gonna jump to the page that I always use for these pickers. Okay, so this is it. Filter duplicate users, meaning that if you commented more than once, you'll only get one entry. 3 plus 4 equals 7. I believe I have to answer that or something like that. And get YouTube comments. Okay, so we're starting to get all the comments in. Once we get all of them, it's gonna filter all those that are, like duplicate, and then we can start getting the winner. So we have 877 unique comments. So let's find out who the winner is. Are you ready? We're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, go. And again, good luck everyone. And the winner is Marcin Wieszniak with a comment: congratulations, many giveaways ahead before M1 sub. That's it. So congratulations, Martin. You're gonna be contacting me via the email I leave in the description, and then we're gonna do just a small verification that it's really you. After that, you can give me your full name and address, and I'm gonna be sending this watch to you at my own expense. Like I said, any possible expense you might get are import duties and taxes. So if a scammer contacts you and asks for some shipping fees or something, that's not me. I would never ask you any money. Everything I do at my own expense. And like I said, the only expense you might get is from your government and from your customs, not from me. Anyways, that's it. So good luck. Good luck everyone for the next giveaway. Stay tuned, because I do these every 10,000 subscribers. Again, congratulations to the winner. And I'll see you in the next one when the regular program continues. Oh, and on a side note, I just became a father of a son a couple of hours ago. So that's why I'm a bit more like jiggly in my words, because I'm still excited about that. Anyways, that's it. So a giveaway, and I got the best gift in the world, a healthy baby boy. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.